everyone! So excited! I just got my pilot diffuser. So I'm just going to do a quick unboxing and show you what's inside. So here it is. It's pretty. Alright, so just going to take the top off. Whee! Yes! I am a total sucker for cases, I just have to say. And so I'm super duper excited that this comes in its own case. And it's one of those like hard ones. So it's like it has give in it, so it's still soft, but it's hard enough that it will protect your oils. So those of you who have children who like to go, I do it, and then they drop the whole thing. Yeah, I have two of them. This will be perfect for you. So let's have a look inside. Ooh, something just dropped out. Oh, the adapter. Yes, I love this. It comes with a dual or two USB cigarette lighter car adapter thingy. Is it 12 volt? Yes, 12 to 24 volt adapter. So that's fantastic. And if you have a look inside, it comes with its own case. And I love that it's even strapped in. It is definitely made for travel. Let's pull it out and have a look. All right. So it's all, I don't know if it's all recycled plastic, but it is made with recycled materials, which is great for sustainability. And I love that. It is roughly the size of a, probably a bit bigger than a Frank Green coffee cup. But it is made to sit inside the coffee holder or drinks holder in your car. And one thing that I do love is that the USB connect, which is inside here, hidden away in this little pocket. I do love that the connection is at the back. In the middle, and you might be like, oh, yeah, well, of course, yeah, but honestly, like I've had some travel diffusers before, and the connection is down here, and you're like, yeah, but why? Because when you when you put it in the thing, it doesn't sit properly, or you've got the cord sticking up here, and because you've got the cord here, again, it won't fit in the car holder, which is really annoying. Sorry, the cup holder, which is really annoying. And so having it back here is actually really helpful because it can slide in nice and easy and sit right where it's supposed to be, which is great. So let's open this baby. Ooh, okay, so that's another feature that I quite like. Again, simple but useful, particularly for travel. It clicks. Let me show you. It clicks in. So you need to twist it to open it, and I like that it's nice and simple. So again, I've had ones where you have to twist it off, then you have to lift out the little thing, then you need to put it in, and it's got a wick, and it's got this, and it's, no, I like simple. This is good. One lid, twist, on, off, done. And let me just show you on the inside. This is what inside looks like. So this is the water level max, and I think it takes 45 mils of water. That's what I read just before. So yes, it takes 45 mils of water. So it's not going to go like all day, but it's good enough for road trips, car trips, plane travel, even beside your bed at night time. I think that's enough for traveling, and great for like cruises. Hopefully, if one day we can all get back to cruising and holidaying, that will be really lovely. And I love that it also comes, it's USB. So it means if you're going overseas, you would be able to just use a USB connection rather than having to get a converter and getting a this and getting a that and an adapter that fits and depending on the country and blah, 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 blah. This is really helpful. So I like that. What else? So inside the case, we've also got spaces to hold four 15 ml bottles, which is great. I mean, it's great because it can hold bottles, but it's also like, I'm limited to 4. So that means I have to pick and choose which ones I want to bring. Yeah, so if you wouldn't mind, drop down in your comments below, what are your top 4 oils that you would bring traveling with you? I think at the moment, one of mine is definitely Adaptive. It is amazing, and I use it for sleep. I use it for stress, use it for, you know, all of those stressful things that can happen whilst you're traveling or whilst you're on a road trip or just in the car and road raging. Not that we do that. But Adaptive is my best friend at the moment, so I'm really loving that. Yes, so let me know, what would you put in your pilot carry case when you go away? All right, I think that's pretty much it. Fairly simple, easy to use, and it's got, oh, it has lights. I don't know if you can see that. There we go, lights, red, orange. I think it cycles through a few, but I don't have it hooked up to power yet. So I'll have to give it a run and let you know how it goes. If you have one, let us know what you think of it. Let us know how you go with it. I would love to hear your thoughts about the new pilot diffuser. Thanks, guys. Bye.